I just designed a $5,000 website in under 10 minutes using AI, and I've not written a single line of code. And honestly, you won't be able to tell the difference between this and what a designer can charge thousands for. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and we're going to use Google AI Studio. Now with these websites, every page works, everything works, all the buttons, and it's customizable. And Google offers you a cloud option as well to actually host this domain and literally just send it live, and all of it's for free. To start, come to Google AI Studio, and here, this is where we're going to put in our initial prompt. And you can see the model options here. Now it depends on your country in terms of different packages, but if you want to, a lighter version is you can use Gemini 2.5 Flash, which for most people is completely free to use. And I started off with a general one, just to show you the difference. So just a general prompt. I said, build me a crypto lending website, make it really nice and sleek. And then it comes up with this, and it asked me if I wanted to add a dark mode, which I did have. And this is okay. This is basic. This is the usual blue, purple gradient stuff we're used to in website UI design based on AI at the moment. But the real trick here in terms of using AI is the power is in the prompt, but you don't prompt. You literally use AI to give you the prompt, and then AI again to give you the design. And Google AI is really good at the design. But to be honest, for prompting, ChatGPT still wins just about here. So what you do is you go to ChatGPT, and what I asked is give me 5 detailed prompts I can use for creating a unique, eye-catching UI design for my new crypto lending website. So whatever your niche is, whatever you want to do, that can be the topic. And it's created them. And all I did was I copy and pasted each of these into Google AI Studio on a new tab and a new page. And it came up with this one. This was one of the designs that I used. And you can see here on the left hand side, every single file, all of these different components. I'm going to download it in a file at the moment to show you. It's done. It's not just creating a design, and I'm not feeding it any images either. We're not copying and pasting existing websites. This is a completely new, unique design that is actually created here. And you can see that was one of the prompts that we saw before on ChatGPT. This was another one of the prompts. This is more robotics design, cold, corporate. Scroll through this. It's another unique design. Yet another one. This almost looks like it could be like a template, a website template, but you don't need to use those anymore. You can create everything like this completely from scratch, and everything here works. Like this is the amazing thing about it, which I'm going to show you when we go into full screen in a minute. Everything works on these websites. So let's do that right now. So at the top here, you can see device preview. So you can see what it looks like on a mobile, what it looks like on a tablet. We can rotate around, and you can see, you can check and see if there's anything that needs to change or be customized. And that's very easy to do here. Like in future, if this is one of your final website designs and you want to add pages to it or add blog posts to it, you can do it here. You can literally type here, add a page which says whatever you want it to say. And again, you're not telling it what to say. Use AI. Use AI to prompt AI to then design using AI again. That's the real key here and the trick. So we're going to try the full screen now. So click on full screen here, and what we can do is scroll down, and you can see all of these different pages. So you can see when you hover over, it kind of illuminates. But next, let's take it a step further. So the best design, I would say, picking from that, what you can do next is you can say, I like this particular number. Now give me full guidance for that design, page by page information. What you can ask it, what images I should add, what text, because remember, we can customize, we can edit all that later. Let's just get the framework there. Let's get the stuff on the page. And I've asked it, so build out basically the entire website, one long instruction prompt. So you could write something fancier than this, but that worked for me. And this is a full master prompt. So the full prompt there, it's got page 1, page 2, page 3, all of the details on the different pages. And then what's really cool is even at the end, it's got global instructions for styling. So it's got all of the design there, the exact gradient accents, codes, the hex codes and color codes. And final note for the generator, make it all feel like a private digital Swiss bank for high-end crypto clients. And just like this is amazing watching it work, like literally instant, within seconds, lines and lines and lines of code. Imagine how long it would take a full stack developer to mess around with this stuff. And have a look at this. So this is full screen. This is one of the ones with the detailed prompt here. So as we're scrolling through, have a look at the design. Lovely, unique design. And look, active working picture with animations, motions. You can hover over things here and they will light up. All the drop downs work here, as you can see. Scrolling back, top right, client dashboard, click on that. Overview, wallet, and you can see these are just placeholders at the moment, but everything's ready there to work. Log in, log out button. click on the top left, the logo, you go back to the home page. You can see across the top there, you've got a few tabs. Let's click on products. You can see it scrolls up and down the page as a modern website would do. I just did one more for fun because again, it just literally just takes a couple of minutes. So I asked it to do another, again, full prompt style, make it a bit futuristic. And then it's just made a massive prompt then. And I told it, add all of the text that you want, an idea of the images and stuff too. Crazy amount of detail. Nothing that I could prompt this good. You can see here is putting everything together. So this one, it takes a little bit longer because it's very, very detailed prompt. You can see how many files. We're going to download this in just a minute. And by the way, if you just want inspiration and we're creating these from scratch, you can have a look at this, and all you could do on a website like this is lapper.ninja. I'll link it down below. And another one here, this is called Landing Folio. So again, you can see other designs there. All you do here with one of these designs is download the image and upload it to ChatGPT and just say, give me the prompt for this. And it will do it. And you will create something very, very similar. And an even better thing you could do with ChatGPT, don't download the entire image. Take a screenshot of the area of the particular design that you like. So literally just hover over, if you're on a Mac, it's Command Shift M4, and just select which section you want, and just add that specific part. Or you could do it directly into Google AI Studio where all of your files are. So this is the next one. This is the futuristic one. Again, looks really, really cool. So let's put this in full screen. Let's have a scroll through here. So some really, really cool designs that you can use. So what's the next step with these? So let's leave full screen. And at the top right, you have these buttons here. You can download the app. So we're going to do that now. You can save it to GitHub here, or you can deploy the app. So this is on Google's cloud, which again is really cool to try. But in terms of the files, it delivers them as a zip file. And you can see inside here, we've got all of the different components for this website. If you already have existing hosting, for example, on Namecheap or something like that, you can just upload the file there. And that's it, your website's ready to go. If you're enjoying this content and tutorial, please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Lots more to come very soon. Thanks for listening.